Well, hello everybody and welcome to Spanky Speaks. Today we're talking to Sophia Kinston from Tailor Birds. Hello Sophie, I noticed that you're in London today, so tell me, what are you doing in Europe this summer?
We're on our second tour through Europe, 2 years in a row, which is quite surreal how time goes by so quickly. We're touring the debut album, but also the new live EP. So.
I understand that you play in Australia as well as in Europe?
So we have different band makeups dependent on where we are. So it's very much about the local musician that sort of has their role within Tailor Birds.
So, is Sophia Kinston Tailor Birds?
Tailor Birds is based around me, Sophia Kinston, but it's also, Tailor Birds is more about an experience, I guess. It's about the music, but it's also about the energy that the audience gets, an experience that they're coming into.
So you were the creative core, but who were the rest of the band?
So the rest of the band in Europe, as we're in Europe at the moment, might as well tell you about that, is in Holland and Germany we have Rick van der Rey on electronics. We also have Erika Curtes, who's a Hungarian vocalist based in Holland. For a couple of shows we've had Kato Fruitsma, who's an accordionist and also a vocalist. And then in the UK and Ireland run of shows we have a beautiful vocalist called Ola Schmidt, who's based in York now. She's a loop artist, loop vocalist. And we also have Angus Lyons on drums. And then I also do a lot of I will be live triggering a lot of the electronics alongside the electric bar.
And why the name Tailor Birds?
Yeah, so Tailor Birds, they are actually birds that make nests out of leaves. So they're these magical birds.
You have a very strong sound, but there's also a very impressive visual experience when you perform. I hear that you're doing some festivals?
Yeah, it's nice to stay. We like having a strong voice. It's all about being able to travel and play your music anywhere that people want you, I don't like to stay in one place. You want to give your music to as many people as possible. So we've done the Taribus Kuna Festival in Holland, the Arts Carnival Festival in Holland, and then also next week we're heading to Children of Field, which I believe is sold out. It's one of Guardian's top 25 festivals, so family festivals.
And I believe that you recently had some video success?
Yeah, we just won the Raw Arts Award in Australia. So for our film clip, Runaway Sailors, Stay-at-Home Wives. So you can actually see that on the website, www.tailorbirdsmusic.com. And you'll see all music there, you'll be able to see all our merch, you can see the videos, you can see all tour dates. Anything you need, you can find there. You can also contact me via that way as well.
So to sum up, where are you playing this summer?
So we're playing in Holland, Germany, Belgium, Switzerland, the UK and Ireland. Probably about 4 of those countries we played last year, but we're also adding Ireland and Switzerland into the mix. And then we're doing a few of our favourite venues from last year, but a lot of new venues. We're playing at the Hamburg's Mobile Blues Club, which is like a touring roving vehicle. So it moves and you go in and it's a little intimate 20-25 person venue. You drink your wine in and see the band. So we're doing that. We're hopefully going to be doing some live stream shows, and where you can sit in your home and watch a Tailor Birds show in hopefully Ireland and Berlin. So yeah, stay tuned. There's a lot of new exciting things happening on that.
Well, thank you very much, Sophie. It's been a pleasure.
Thanks very much.
And here to play us out are Tailor Birds with their award-winning video Runaway Sailors, Stay-at-Home Wives. Thank you and goodbye.